How you doing, folks? Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. I want to talk about something that is really fantastic, to be honest with you, and I want to thank Griots. Lots of people will put pro glass coatings on the front windshield and around the car, and it's great. Most pro coatings on front windshields will last a year, maybe longer, depending on how you maintain the glass. If you live in a rainy area and maybe you're not using your wiper blades all that often, they'll last longer on the front windshield. Unfortunately, just about all glass coatings you put on the front windshield, the biggest killer is the wiper blades. As the wiper blades go over the glass coating, it breaks down the resin, makes it less hydrophobic. Lots of people think that because you got a glass coating on the front windshield, you're not going to use your wipers all that often. That's really not true. But anyway, that's another rabbit hole for another time. I want to talk about Griots. Griots has given us a ceramic glass coating. Folks, what's so amazing about this, and Griots, thank you. I giggle, but it's a blessing. They give us 8 ounces of a ceramic glass coating that's solvent-based. To answer some of the kids on my videos lately that say to me, it's like, you know, it's amazing. Tell me you live in your parents' basement without telling me you live in your parents' basement. I am well aware that water is a solvent, folks. I'm also well aware that this is a solvent-based ceramic glass coating. Here's my point. Drink all the water you like. That's going to go fine for you. But don't drink this. It won't go well for you, even though water in this solvent is considered a solvent. Anyway, I got to shut up. To expedite this video, to make it a little bit easier, but again, folks, this is 8 ounces of a solvent-based glass ceramic coating, and you can find it at AutoZone, O'Reilly's for $19.99. You're not going to find a better price for that volume of product. To expedite this video, what I've done, this is my daily driver. We've got smudges on the inside of the glass. Who gives a crap? But I prepped the glass by washing it, claying it, polishing it, and then I use isopropyl alcohol absolutely straight. I don't dilute it. It's the only time I would use IPA that way. And I use IPA straight as my glass prep, and then I'm ready to coat. The way Griots wants you to use this product, and I always want you to follow the instructions. Do it once, but then after that, I want you to do it the way I do it. The way they want you to do this is once your glass is prepped, you apply some to your applicator. It comes with an applicator and some cloths and gloves. It's all good. Yay, wonderful. You're going to apply it to your applicator. You're going to put one layer all over the glass and let it sit for 10 minutes. To expedite this video, this has been sitting here. I've already put it on there for about, it's been on there for about 7 or 8 minutes. You let it sit there for 10 minutes, and then when you go to put the second layer on it, they want 2 layers on the glass. Here's another rule breaker, if you don't mind. I would put 2 layers on the front windshield. I don't do it for side glass, but you can do that if you like. But anyway, I put the first layer on. It's been sitting here for about 8-9 minutes. I'm going to put the second layer right over the top of the first layer. You do not buff it off. That's the way Griots want you to install it. So I'm going to take this. This is a ton of product for $19.99. I love it. So I'm going to take it, put it on my applicator again. Make sure you always kind of cover this up because, again, it's a solvent. We don't want it evaporating or kind of junking up at the top of the bottle or inside the bottle. Always put your cap back on it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the second layer right over the first layer. And this stuff is very easy to work with. You'll see it kind of flashes. It doesn't rainbow or anything like that, but it hazes. But you put the second layer right over the top layer. It's not fighting me. It's very easy to do so. Again, they want 2 layers on all glass. That's the way this system works. Go ahead and do that, but I don't do that. I only put 1 layer on the side glass, and it still works incredibly well. I do agree that having 2 layers on the front windshield is good, so we get a little bit of a extra punch on the front windshield because the wiper blades are going to eventually wear the coating down. They wear all glass coatings down. So you put the first layer on, wait 10 minutes, put the second layer on, wait 10 minutes, and you buff it off. This is where I'm going to tell you to do it right, do it the way Griots tells you to do on the box, but you'll find that the buff off, after waiting 10 minutes with the second layer, the buff off can be annoying. What does that mean? Well, there is a little bit of elbow grease that's required, but it just takes a considerable amount of time to buff it all off the glass. It'll annoy you. That's the best I can tell you, but it does come off. It's not the end of the world, but I figured out a way to make it much easier for me to get it off the glass. What I do, again, I'm expediting the video so I don't kill you with a long video. I would wait 10 minutes for the first layer, 10 minutes for the second layer, and then I take Griots 3-in-1 wax. This is their ceramic sealant, paint sealant. And I'll lightly mist the glass, and then I'll go to buff off this glass coating. It makes it much easier to remove the glass coating. Some of you might ask, Scott, is that making the bond less durable? Do you see less performance from the product? I do not. I do not have an issue with it at all. And to be honest with you, $19.99 for 8 ounces of a solvent-based ceramic glass coating, even if I only got 9 months, 10 months out of it on the front windshield, not a full year, it's not killing me. It's not breaking the bank. I'd rather have an easier buff off, and this product is so cheap, they're almost giving it away. So I love it. I don't go down that rabbit hole and worry about it so much. But anyway, for the sake of the video, let's say I waited 10 minutes for the second layer to completely set up. This is what I would do. I would take Griots ceramic 3-in-1 wax. I'm staying within the system. It makes sense in my little brain, right? And I'm just going to lightly mist the glass. I'm not trying to oversaturate it. I'm barely squeezing the trigger. I just want a little bit of moisture from the ceramic 3-in-1 wax. I'm going to go in and buff off the glass coating. This glass coating is very slick, very easy to install if you follow this step. If you do it their way, you're still going to get great results. It's going to be amazing. You're just going to find the buff off a little bit annoying, that's all. But anyway, there it is. It's on the glass. Again, it's very slick. It's very nice. I love it. Very easy to work with. It'd be great for, it's a great product for pros to have in their arsenal. You know, when you need to top off somebody's glass coating you installed on their windshield because it kind of wore down after 6 months or a year, and you want to have a nice topper and you don't want to break the bank, I just put one layer over a pro coating once every 6 months, once every year as a topper, and just make my life easy and give my clients a nice topper every once in a while. But there it is, Griots ceramic Griots ceramic glass coating, solvent base. Please do not drink it. Put it on the glass, get it on the glass. It's absolutely fantastic. All of you can buy it at O'Reilly. I bought this at O'Reilly's, but I think I've seen it at AutoZone as well. $19.99, 8-ounce bottle for $19.99 for a ceramic glass coating. Griots, I love you. This is great. I appreciate it. And over the next couple of weeks, this car sits outside constantly. Put a tape line here. It's going to be annoying. I'm not going to have anything over there. But we'll do a comparison over the next couple of weeks, and you'll see its hydrophobic nature, folks. It's a nice glass coating, and I think everybody should have it, certainly for the price. It's not going to hurt anyone. Love you so much. Talk to you soon.